Hello guys, today we are reviewing this super clean gel to clean keyboards, mouse, to disinfect and to clean thoroughly in between. Let's take the first step, opening it. So we have it over here, aluminum foil on the top. I'm gonna make a clean cut. And you see it's really pale blue, which it should be, because the moment it gets darker, it means it's dirty. So you can take it out in one piece. You see? It's like a jelly slime. And then what you do is you press on it. You're not gonna rub with it, you just press it, and then you see it even takes the keys. See, it's not really dirty, but you can really press it, just press it down and it's gonna go in between, take all the dirt with it and leave without any trace behind. You see, just as easy as that. And then back into the bin and then close it and store it out of light. Now we're gonna have a look on the different stadia which it goes through when it's coming dirty. So all of these were the same color when they were totally new. The one we just opened right now and cleaned our keyboard with, which leaves absolutely nothing behind. Really good and a really nice smell. This one is quite dirty. You can see on the side, if you have this, can you read it? Okay, not really. So if it's going to this color, green or black, and then you're gonna see this, it's also really slimy and not usable anymore. And then if you leave it in the light, it's even getting darker, you see? And this one is almost fluid. And it really stinks, So it took a lot of dirt. That was it. Good product, super clean, available on Amazon, and also available in yellow, but that's I think that one isn't as good as the blue one. I don't know, maybe it's a personal feeling, maybe it's the same, but I think the blue one, light blue one, is the best. Also for cleaning in between small gaps in your car, for example. So yeah, really good product, to be recommended.